slanted. That's the problem when you try to do everything yourself. It just doesn't always work out right. But it's still pretty magnificent. I can't just use words to describe how incredible that is in person. You'd think after looking at Pikes Peak all the time, you'd get sick of it, but you don't, because it looks different each time. But it really is amazing to come into Buena Vista and see all these huge 14ers. One thing I don't like about this new mount for the camera, it's only got certain fixed positions, and none of them seem to be in the middle. Leaving San Isabel National Forest, that goes all the way down to Greenhorn Mountain and Alamosa and stuff, I think. Two of the biggest ones that I've been to is Pikes Peak National Forest and then San Isabel National Forest. Arkansas Headwaters Recreation Area. There's a nice little overlook here. I like stopping there on the way in. And since it's still pretty early, I'm going to do that. See if I can get any footage from this overlook. I do think this mount is fairly stable. I'm kind of happy with that. I don't think it'd work on a dirt road though. See, right here, I want you to be able to see everything that I'm seeing, and I can't do it. There's mountains to the left, the right, and they're all huge. We're going to turn into this overlook and try to get better footage for you. Great thing about Colorado now, for $29 you can add the state park sticker, and that lets you in all the state parks for no charge. Okay, let's see what I can show you from here.